Super Typhoon Ragasa, highly important topic, a very important topic specifically for students from geography optional. Now this is a very important phenomena under climate change, we would say, and nearly 1.9 million people have been evacuated so far in the regions of China, Philippines. Now this super typhoon struck the region of Philippines to begin with and has been moving with a very high intensity towards the mainland China in the Guangdong province. Now, the formation and intensification of the cyclone, the typhoon, as it is called in the regions of the areas of Philippines and China. Now the formation and intensification is really important to understand, be it the process of hurricane or typhoon. The intensification and the formation process remains the same. So first of all, there is a warm sea surface temperature that generates. However, over this tenure, we had seen a very high surface temperature increase, and this was exceptionally warm waters. We had seen exceptional summers this time as well, and the Philippine Sea had witnessed very high rising temperatures. Now, this energy is required for development of the typhoons. Now once this happen, along with that there is another important criteria, which is a minimum level of wind shear. That means the change in the wind speed or the direction with the height has been minimum, and this would allow the vertical structure to remain organized without any disruption. So once the typhoon formation occurs, it would remain persistent for a prolonged period, and therefore this could transform into a super typhoon, as Ragasa is ought to be. Now another important thing is, once the formation is all set, the intensification process is because of the storm getting evolved into a higher category super typhoon, and it is believed that this lies under category 5 super typhoon. Also, there would be equatorward outflow. Now this would be a very important aspect. We have already discussed this in detail when we have been talking about the formation of typhoons, hurricanes and cyclones, called by different names in different parts of the world. So understanding the formation, the differences between tropical and temperate cyclone becomes important. But Ragasa has been very important in news because it is a category 5 super typhoon. Nearly 2 million people have been evacuated, so it has been considered as the largest in the decade. So thanks for joining. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back. Have a great day.